In this video, we will be learning about the minimum and maximum function in Excel. So, before moving forward, I request you all to please do subscribe my channel for the latest videos. So, let's start. What's the syntax of min and max? Min, min, open bracket, close bracket, max, open bracket, close bracket. This function is very much useful to find the minimum or the maximum values in a given data. This is used by across all kind of data analysis people. So let's start. For example, I am having this total given array and I want to find what's the mean value. So we can just go here and try to find this function mean, enter. It will automatically select the total data for which we want to find the minimum value and then just enter. It's the minimum. So you can see the minimum value is 16. So now if I want to find max, what I can do? Again, I can just directly here, I can just directly go here again and then select max function. It will automatically select all the data in the given column and enter. So you will find the maximum value is 95. Let's take another example. Here I will try to use the same here. I am having the given data and I want to find the minimum and max value. So I will just try to use max function from here. So here you are seeing that I need to take give the input of the data for which the maximum value is to be found. It will not automatically select. So you can just directly from here to here just select and enter. So you can see here the maximum value will be 95. Just again we will do it once more. Max max, then select the data and just enter 95. If I want for the minimum, min mean and then just select data, done, minimum 7 value. So for this, if I am having a this many data and I want to find the minimum and max value, so what I will be doing, just write min mean, then select the total numbers which is to be added and then just enter. So and max value, max max, select the whole data from which you want to find the max value and just enter. You will see 9977 is the maximum value. You can see here the highlighted value also, and 416 as a minimum value. Here I highlighted that. Hope you guys understood about the function mean and max. See you in the next video. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.